Hey everyone, so I'm hopping on to do a little eye makeup for 4th of July. I know it's Monday and it's Saturday and I'm a little bit behind because real life behind the scenes is so crazy for me right now. I am doing little short videos and I'm so glad because there are new faces here. Welcome. If you're just joining me for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. So I'm doing a very simple eye look. I already started out. I'm using shadowsense. So I use candlelight as my base. If you do not know what shadowsense is a cream base that turns to powder after 60 to 90 seconds. You have 60 to 90 seconds to apply it before it sets into place. Once it's set into place, it is smudge proof, crease proof, waterproof, anti-aging, skincare, layable, buildable, and so much more. And it's very hydrating for your face. Like, you can use it for multiple things on your face, just not your eyes. You always want to start out with a base. So I use candlelight because I have a more medium skin tone. But if you're on the fair side, I would choose Sandstone Pearl without the shimmer. I will put a link down below so that you guys can shop this look or any look. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to a second page where then at the top of the page it says my distributor's name. That's totally fine. Then you will scroll down all the way to shop now, and the shadowsense is on the third page in the bubble eyes. You click what you want. I'm pretty sure bandana shimmer is sold out, but I'm not positive. There could be a red there. The red, we have mattes, we have shimmers, we have glitters, and there is no fallout, no mess, nothing. It's not like any drugstore makeup I have ever used. So, yeah. So, I'm just going with it because I was planning on doing it like last week, couple days ago, so that you guys could order, and it just didn't happen because real life is happening. But once you click on what you want, you go to the checkout thing, or you add to cart, then you go to the checkout. Once you're on the checkout page, right before you check out, there's a little box that says preferred customer. You click that, you get 10% off all your purchases all year round. That is an amazing deal because let's say Synergens was having a sale on shadowsense for 15% off. You sign up, you use my link, you sign up, you click that box, you would get an extra 10% off that nobody would normally get. So, yeah, so that is an amazing deal. If you spend $100, it's free shipping plus the $10 because the month of July to sign up for the discount is $10. So that would be $110. And if you spend $150, you get a free gift. Sign up, free gift, free samples, your products. You also get free samples, your products with the $100 and free shipping. It's a win-win. And if you guys haven't heard of Synergens, most people know us by lip sense. So we also do skincare, hair care, and makeup, just not lip sense. So here I go. I already have candlelight on my eyes, but I'm gonna use Mocha Java. This is a matte. This is, if you're a beginner to shadowsense, this is a staple. So I have that in the corner of my eye. And I need to clean my brushes. Some of them are so dirty. And even though you have 60 to 90 seconds to apply it where you want it, I wait a couple seconds to go in, especially with the glitters and the shimmers. If I'm doing multiple colors, I'm going to pat it in instead of swiping it, but it's just your preference. Yeah. So, and the one thing about these not a lot of people know is shadowsense is very blendable. So if you think that once it's blended out and you think it's too light, you can go back in with the same color and just add a little bit. A little bit goes a long ways. So, like, I've only done like videos, tutorials, like 2 days this week, and today was supposed to be my day off, and Thursday is supposed to be my day off, but I had to rearrange things, so, because I've been really busy. And if you want to know how you can support me and support my page, it's by clicking that link and ordering and clicking that little box. That's how you can support me and my page. And I'll be satisfied and you'll be satisfied because this makeup is amazing. It is vegan-free, cruelty-free, made in the US, gluten-free. Okay. So that is all blended out. I don't know if you can tell, but I still have contour on my nose. But it is like really good. And if you think that you have too much, you can go back in with your concealer brush and just kind of wipe the area that you want. But I don't have much. There are some days I have a lot and I'm like, whoa, like I have. So I did my contour off camera and I kind of waited. I used like our contour stick in the shade Deep. This is, I don't even know if it's still around. It might be sold out because the light contour with the medium or light contour and the light medium, this comes in a duo, came out last July, and this Friday coming up, there's supposed to be new products launched, so I might come on and tell you guys all about that and when you can buy them. And I like shadowsense, you have 60 to 90 seconds, right? Well, I decided, well, I'll just wait a little bit and see. Like, it worked way better, but it was like shadowsense. It started to dry, but you can't really tell. But I like how it turned out. So now I'm going in with Bandana Shimmer. This is an old one. And I'm putting that all over my eye. And you can actually use this for blush. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to take my brush and just kind of do that. You can use multiple things of our makeup on your face. Like this look would take me under 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes if I was off camera. Blurred. See, now I got it on my nose. Okay, so I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just kind of pat it in. You can have it as light as you want or as dark as you want. That looks way good. And do you see how I waited a little bit? And also, if you're a beginner, I would just do one eye at a time. I've been doing this for shadowsense for like 3-4 years. So I kind of just roll with it. So, and I can add more. When I first got this, I don't know, over a year ago, like an everyday color will last you 4 to 6 months, like candlelight, like your base. But they say like they're supposed to last 8 months, but I've had them for like 3-4 years. And once you are dry to the bone, like this one kind of, there's a little stopper you pull out with tweezers and you get 20% more of product, which is amazing. So you can go back in and pat it out, or a lot of times I just leave it just like that. But I don't know if this color is in stock. This is called Bella Shimmer. It's kind of a pinkish red. I'm just gonna put that right over what I did. It's kind of a red. It's pink. I don't know if you guys will be able. See, it's really pretty. So I am going to do my Eyeshadow eyeliner pencil. This is the best eyeliner pencil that we have around. Sorry, my stomach is digesting from earlier this morning. And yes, I do a lot of eyeliner, but that's how I like it. So, I'm gonna take this little one. I think I got this as a gift like a long time ago, this brush. So I'm just lightly patting it. Super pretty. I'm going to hop off camera and find an inner corner that would go. Actually, I could use Samsung Pro, but I'm trying to find Snow, which is a pure white matte, and it just makes your eyes pop. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera. Actually, I'm going to, if you're looking for something to grow your lashes, our Lash Sense mascara and primer will grow your lashes 46%. Our mascara will grow your lashes 46% in 1 month. That is amazing. So if you're looking for something to grow your lashes, this is a must. We also have Lash Sense, which you put on morning and night, and it grows your lashes. I don't have a problem with my lashes. I have real eyelashes. I've never wore fake eyelashes before. And so, yeah, but I have noticed a huge difference since I started using this. So I'm going to hop off camera and come back and then do the inner corner with you guys, and voila. Okay, so this is how I did the mascara, and I did my brows, and one side is perfect, but the other one I got like way too much, but it doesn't look bad. So I am back, and I am going to use this Glacier Glitter. This was in the Ice Neutral collection. It's like a pinkish, but you can use candlelight to brighten it up, or a shimmer, especially if you're doing a matte shadowsense eyeshadow. So this is really pretty. So I'm just adding. This is so annoying. I have new mascara on the way. You want to change your mascara every 3 months. So just putting a little bit. So there is the finished look. I'm going to hop off here and clean it up and come back with the end result for you guys. So I'm back with the end result, and this is how it turned out. I am so glad that I did this all on video. I almost said offline. On video for you guys. It's very simple, and I topped it with the Lipson's Fly Girl, and it turned out amazing. I don't like wearing red. Like, I just don't think red's my color, but everyone says it is, and I kind of like this look. So I'm definitely going to change my clothes because I'm in lounging clothes. So yeah, but this is how the look turned out. Please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this very simple red eyeshadow look, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it.